Let's take a look at how to convert text values to their equivalent numerical values. Now I have a column of numbers here. I can tell by clicking underneath the column, holding down my Alt key and pressing equals, I can see that the sum function recognizes these as numerical values. For the sake of my example, I'm going to convert these to their equivalent text values. We'll come out here to the left side of the first entry and I will type in equals text open parentheses. I will click the numerical value. It's my first parameter, and then I will give it a formatting size of 0 and press enter, and I get the text equivalent by clicking on the value, double clicking the fill handle to fill down. I have copied these over into text values. I'm going to go ahead and take these now and get rid of this text function by selecting the whole column, putting my pointer on the right border, holding my mouse down, dragging it to the right, dragging it back, and then from the shortcut menu choosing copy here is values only. And then from the warning indicator, I will click the drop down arrow, ignore error. And I can see now I have these as just normal text values. I'll go ahead and delete my column of numbers. And I'm ready to begin. One method for converting text values to their numerical equivalents is to come out here and multiply them by 1 when you do a copy paste. I'm going to go ahead next to my first value, type in the number 1, and then fill that all the way down by double clicking the fill handle. I will then come out, select my range of text values, and I will right click and choose copy. I will then select my range of ones next to it, and I will right click and choose paste special, and then under paste special I'll go ahead and choose to paste these using a multiply effect. And when I do this, it will multiply the text value by the number equivalent, convert it to a number, and multiply it by 1, which basically turns it into itself. An even easier method might be to come out here and select your range of text values, put your pointer on the right border of the range, and with your mouse hold down the right button, drag to the right, drag back with your right mouse button, choose copy here as values only, and when you get the error indicator in the top cell, they're all selected. I will click the error indicator and choose convert to number. Still, a final method might be to use the value function. If I come out to the first text value and off to the right, I'll go ahead and select the cell and choose equals value and put the value function. I'll click the text value I'm interested in, press enter, and it converts it to a numerical value. I will go ahead and double click the fill handle to fill all the way down, and then with this column selected, to get rid of these formulas inside, I will right click the right border, drag to the right, drag back, and choose copy here as values only, and now I've converted these back to text.